Hi viewers, welcome back to AVP Properties Hyderabad YouTube channel. Today you are watching the Eminent by Ramky at Rajendra Nagar luxury 3 and 4 BHK high-rise gated community apartments near to airport, Banjara Hills, Jubilee Hills and Old City and near to Gachibowli, High-Tech City. This project bang on the Bangalore highway spread across 7.82 acres, 4 towers, 30 floors, exclusive 3 and 4 BHK gated community apartments. Starting range 2290 square feet to 4100 square feet and 50,000 square feet G plus 5 floors clubhouse for leisure, wellness and community. 16,000 square feet of thoughtfully designed in towers lifestyle spaces and 1 acre tropical forest at the center of it all. Luxury 3 and 4 BHK residences, 4 towers, 724 apartments. This is elevated living rooted in space, rhythm, and comfort. A and D block per floor 8 flats, B and C block 4 flats per floor. And it is very close to PVNR Express Highway, which connects to the Banjara Hills and Jubilee Hills. And it is very close to Nehru Outer Ring Road, exit number 16, Rajendra Nagar. Close to IT Hub, and it is very close to all international schools, malls, and hospitals, and your daily needs. Whoever looking 3 and 4 BHK apartments in Rajendra Nagar location, please contact and display number. If you are watching first time my channel, please subscribe. Thank you.